right, we all have our assignments. 2 stones uptown, 1 stone down.
Guys?
Call it, Captain.
All right, listen up. Until we can close that portal, our priority is containment. Barton, I want you on that roof, eyes on everything, call out patterns and strays. Stark, you got the perimeter. Anything gets more than 3 blocks out, you turn it back or you turn it to ash.
Can you give me a lift?
Right. Better clench up, Legolas.
Thor, you gotta try and bottleneck that portal. Slow him down. You got the lightning. Light the bastards up. You and me, we stay here on the ground. We keep the fighting here. And Hulk. Smash.
Stay low, keep an eye on the clock. Maybe smash a few things along the way.
I think it's gratuitous, but whatever.
I don't know what it is, but I want to try it.
We're not finished yet.
And then swarm after. Better hustle, Cap. Things look like they're just about wrapped up here.
Got it. I'm approaching the elevator now.
If it's all the same to you, I'll have that drink now.
All right, get him on his feet. And I'll stand around posing up a storm later. By the way, feel free to...